What if you could send money online without a bank? What if contracts executed automatically without lawyers? That is blockchain. And the person building it is called a blockchain developer. Most digital systems rely on central control. Banks process transactions. Platforms store data. Companies manage servers. Blockchain removes the middle layer. It runs on a distributed network of computers. Every transaction is verified by the network. Records are transparent and difficult to change. A blockchain developer builds the code behind these systems. They create smart contracts. These are programs that execute automatically when conditions are met. They build decentralized applications called dApps. They secure digital transactions using cryptography. They test systems for vulnerabilities. They improve performance and scalability. This role requires strong programming skills. Knowledge of Solidity is common. Understanding distributed systems and encryption is critical. Blockchain developers work in finance, gaming, supply chains, and digital identity systems. Companies use blockchain to increase transparency and reduce fraud. Salaries range from $100,000 to $180,000 per year. Demand keeps rising as decentralized systems expand beyond cryptocurrency. This job matters because trust is shifting from institutions to code. Blockchain developers build the systems that make that shift possible. Subscribe to Future Work Now for more future jobs explained.